This is the Tuttle origami paper in a box. It includes 192 sheets of high quality paper with different patterns. It also includes a full color 32-page instruction books to teach you how to create a butterfly, a kimono, a frog, and a cup. Today we'll be making a kimono, so let's get started. Firstly, you need to fold it in half so it becomes a rectangle. And then open it, fold it the other way so it also becomes a rectangle, but it has a crease in the middle. So like this, and then you have a line in the middle that divides into 4 squares. And you fold it up. You have to then grab the ends and don't fold it all the way. Just fold it and fold only a little bit of it. So like just use your finger to fold only a little bit. That. Open it up, grab this edge and put it on there and fold only a little bit. Once you finish that, open it and use one flap and fold that on like so. Turn it over and fold it as well, like this. Once you finish that, you want to hold on a second. Here we go. Fold that inwards. Like so. Once you finish that, you grab this, and there's like a line in the middle here. You don't know, you can fold it in half so you can see it. Then grab that and make sure that it's folded in the middle, like so. Do them both just for this side, like this. And lastly, turn it over and we don't have it. Hold up. Wrong side, wrong side. This side. And open that like so. And then you have a very, very untilted kimono. It's very bad.